excuse the mess in the background, but I got kids, deal with it. Hope you're all doing really good. I hope I'm not waking anybody up by making this video. Because it's, again, you know, middle of the night. That's when apparently I choose to edit my video. So, crazy week this week. All sorts of stuff going on. Cris has his first little takeover of the YouTube channel, so that'll be fun. Keen to get your guys' feedback on that, see if you enjoy it. I know he enjoys making them, and to be honest with you, he's always on my back. When's the next YouTube video? When's the next video? When's the next video? So, to be fair, I kind of need that because it keeps me rolling. Stick around to the end of the video, and we will be announcing the winner of our 1,000 subs giveaway. Thanks very much for everybody who got involved and entered, and great feedback for the last couple of videos. It's amazing. Thank you so much. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe, notifications on. If you enjoy the video, give us a like and comment down below. And we will be doing another giveaway when we hit 5,000 subs. So the sooner we get there, the sooner we'll do another giveaway. So hope you're good. Hope you enjoy the video. Catch you in the next one.
YouTube, what's going on? Listen, we're at a property that a couple of months back we've installed a new boiler. We got a call from the client saying there's a weird noise coming from the boiler. We got here yesterday, but we got here a bit late, and we discovered that the main pipe that feeds the boiler decided to go. It has a puncture, it cracked. It may be the pipe itself, it may be the elbow. It's underneath the floor. When I'll go inside, I'll show you guys what needs to be done, and hopefully we get it fixed today. So stick around. Alright, so this is the new boiler. It got installed a couple of months back, and the main pipe that's coming in is feeding it, as I told you before, decided to bust a nut somewhere inside there. So we need to take this tile out and try to see if we can fix it this way. So as you can see, we managed to find the leak right from this elbow. So the leak is fixed. We tested it. We've made sure everything's put back together. Everything's tight. There's no leaks.
What's happening, party people? So, another boiler swap today. This one's a bit interesting though. So let me turn it around, show you what we've got, and then I'll talk you through what we're going to do. Okay. So we've got a Glow Ultracom 30 CXI. It's working, but not very well. It's leaking, and also there's a few things wrong with it. The first one would be the condense. Looks okay. Condense, sure. All right, fine, but that's never been changed. Oh, what's happening here? That runs down here, along the back of the kitchen, around the other side of the kitchen, all the way around to the other end, and then to the waste, all in 15mm speed fit. So that's a big no-no. And it's just It's just crap. There's stuff all over the place. The pipework is a mess. We've got pipework down this side and then back this side and then up, and it's all a mess. So what we're going to do, pretty much the only thing that's done right is that. What we're going to do is we're going to take all this out. We're going to go up into the loft, hang the boiler up there, take this timber off because it's not doing anything, and then run all our pipes down this wall, all nice and tidy and neat. We've got the electrics to sort out because that's not me that's done that. That is how it's been for years. So let's get it on. I was under the impression that that was filming the whole time, but it's actually so hot up here that the camera's giving out. So let me flip you around and show you what we've been up to and how far we've got so far. Okay, so we've got the boiler up on the wall. I'm waiting for the roofer to turn up so that we can do our flue, and then it's piped down and round along here and ready to drop through. Those aren't the holes we've made. We found them when we cleared out all this gravel insulation stuff. So so we're getting there. That's all ready now to drop down. And I'll be honest with you, I'll be pleased to get out of this loft. We've got some radiators to change here as well. We've got kitchen tap to change. We've got a basin tap to change. And yeah, like I said, we've got to redo all that pipework in the cupboard. I will talk you through that when I get to it, because there's quite a lot to talk through on that, including the fact that it's severely undergassed. So it's 30 kilowatt combi and it's in 15 mil all the way from downstairs. It's got about 15-20 bends on it, elbow, sorry. It's just, there's no way, it's so undergassed. So and then we've got issues with the condense, issues with the discharge pipe terminates just sort of sticking out the wall over a doorway and a patio, which seems safe. So, but for the first time in I don't know how long, the flue is actually clipped and screwed. So I don't see that very often. So yeah, getting there. I will try and get some more footage, and apologies that all of that just got deleted. Well, not deleted. Basically, I did that thing where your phone overheats. Apparently, that's the thing. And it just turned itself off. So, which is why it's been quite nice and quiet. So, silver linings. Anyway, I will catch up with you in a little bit. Right, that's done for today. So, I'm just going to step over the trapdoor of death. Oh, and we'll turn you around so we can have a look at what's going on. Okay, cool. So, boiler's all done. We've got to wire it. We've got to do the discharge and the condense, but we're going to do that tomorrow because you can just see it there. That's the soil stack. So we're going to run it along here underneath and then pick up the condense and the discharge and do that way. Pipes are all in now and all through. And I will show you downstairs what they look like. Oh. Love ladders. And then we are straight through. And then we've left them short now so that we can connect in all we need to connect in under the floor. This is going to be live, but we'll work that all out tomorrow so that we can get rid of all this rubbish. And like I said to you, gas pipe in 15 mil, runs all the way down here, through the floor, along here, along the hallway, along here, down there, through down to this underneath the stairs. Through there, down there, and in. So yeah, probably not gonna have enough gas. So anyway, we will catch up with you in the morning. What a day. Okay, so this is the first of the radiators. Obviously we've changed from a normal style to one of these, stay on my hands, one of these column style, and the customer wanted chrome pipe coming out of the valve, so that's what we've done. Before anyone gets arsey with me about the chrome into the speed fit, I've scraped the chrome off, hence why my hands look like this. So I've scraped the chrome off so that the fittings don't slip. And then we've just connected them in. So that floor we can put down, but we won't do that until we filled everything up, obviously, to test. And then we've got the same thing to do in here. So a new radiator, you can see obviously pipes are miles away. So we will clear this all up, pull the carpet back, and then have a look what we've got to do. And we're actually not going to fill these rads, because the customer wants to be able to take them off to decorate behind, and then we'll come back another day and fill them up. And then we've just got to connect in our flow and returns. So that's our return, and then they should connect up to there. You can see what I've done in the meantime. I've literally just linked them out with a drain valve, so that I could pressurise the boiler and test all of the pipework that I've done up in the loft, so that they can have hot water, because we've been in and out for a few days doing up a little bits and bobs. And then we've also taken all of this out. We've just got the flue to take out upstairs. And then I think his plan is actually, because this has got a little bit of a recess, his plan is to actually basically just board from here all the way across. So yeah, all good in the hood. So we'll just pipe up this radiator now, and then connect in that flow return, and then we can, I think that's our last job to do. Other thing that we've done is we've taken up the old flue recovery system, flue heat recovery system. But I've never played with these, so I might take this home, open it up and have a look. It looks like it's got some kind of, I don't know, is that stainless steel? Don't know. Anyway, I'm going to take that home because I'm a nerd, and I'll pull it apart and have a look at it. Okay, so we are very, very nearly there. So that's done, which is great. So I've literally just got to drain down the pipe where that's there. Let's close that because it's just gonna. So I've got to drain down that pipe work. And then I've literally got to tear into those 22mm speed fits that are below it. And then that's it. and then we can fill the whole system, balance it, flush it, etc, etc. So yeah, all in all, good little job. I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay guys, so appreciate that video was a little bit all over the place, but a week we've had, I haven't had a lot of time to edit a lot of footage, and also obviously last week we lost everything, so we should be back on track for next week, fingers crossed. Time to announce the winner of the giveaway. So the guy or girl chosen at random is Sebastian Richardson. That's what the computer's telling me. So Sebastian, get in touch, mate. Drop me a DM. I will post those 2 bits out to you. And once again, if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will